Hi, I'm Natchi Lazarus, and today I want to talk to you about spontaneous content on social media. Many times we talk about content planning a lot. In my book, The Connected Church, I talk a lot about how to plan your content, how to have a calendar, how to have a schedule, how to, map all this out and package it and release it with a specific strategy and so on, which is all important. But I also want to talk to you about spontaneous content. There is something amazing about spontaneity, especially on social media, and people love it because it's authentic, it's not produced, it's real, it just comes out of the moment. So as much as I highly recommend you plan your content and have a calendar and go by the schedule, I also want to tell you, be spontaneous. Right? And there are platform or elements of any platform that allows you to do it. For example, on Instagram, you can have planned posts on feed, but you can have spontaneous content on your stories, or even on your live. You can spontaneously go live. So as a ministry leader, as a church leader, think about your spontaneous contents and try to do more of those. Because like, for example, you're reading the Bible and then you get an inspiration and you want to share something. Go live, go live and talk to your audience. What's there? I mean, people don't worry about your setup, your camera, how you look. All that people are discounting these days. They understand that you are at home. They're all at home. They're locked down. Maybe other places. There are many places where it's not a lockdown, but still you don't have the regular setup. It's a new normal, remember? So people know that. So and people understand that. So go ahead, be yourself, create those spontaneous content. Okay, spontaneous content about your insights, some revelation that you've had, some story that you just heard, and something that you feel that will bless people. Maybe it's a leading in your spirit that you want to share with people. So I would highly recommend go for it and do a live, do a story, maybe even do a post. I mean, it's okay. Or just take a quick picture of something and post it. Be spontaneous. So my idea is mix spontaneity with planned content. So both are important for social media because you got to have a nice balance between both. So planned content has to be in detail, something that's very value adding, that is very structured, and spontaneous content should be very spirit led, very interesting, very inspirational, very authentic. So that is the balance you need to have between the two types of content that you create as a ministry, as a church leader. All right. I hope that was useful. I'll see you next week with another thought. Until then, you stay connected, stay blessed, and stay safe. God bless you.